Dear students, honorable guardians, dear colleagues and those who are watching this class, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmood Hassan, Senior Teacher English, Ahmed Bawani Academy, School and College. Welcome you all to Ahmed Bawani Academy Online School. Before starting my class, I would like to see how many of you have joined the class. I'd like to see. Khaled Saifullah, Julfikar Ajad, our honorable teacher. But this time I think some of you have joined with me. So I think I should start my class. Joy Dash, Walaikum Assalam. Our honorable teacher Mir Sulaiman is also watching us. So dear students, now let's begin our class. I have given you a picture here. Now look at the picture. And you will get 1 minute to think over this picture. You will get 1 minute, everybody. What do you see? What do you see in the picture? You just think about it. Okay, now my question. What can you see in the picture? First question. Can you answer my question? You will get 30 seconds for answering this question. What can you see in the picture? Khaled Saifullah is saying Sriti Shodo. I think our honorable teacher, Mr. Afsar Ali sir, is also with us. Thank you so much, sir. Khaled Saifullah, you are right, I think. This is a national memorial, okay? Second question. Where is it? The second question is, where is it? Can anyone answer this question? Where is it? Where is it situated? It is in Shabar, said by Mabia Ahmed. Is there anyone? Mabia Ahmed is right, I think. Khaled Saifullah is also saying Shabar. You are right. Thank you so much. This is at Shabar. And third question. Why was it built? Can you tell me the answer? Why was it built? Why was this National Memorial built? I think our ex-student Shahrukh Ifti is also watching us. Thank you so much for watching us. Why was it built? It was built to commemorate the supreme sacrifice of our national martyrs. Okay. Then tyranny by Pakistani military. You see the picture of tyranny by Pakistani military. When was it happen? This is the question. When was it happen? Can you answer this question, dear students? When was it happen? You will get 1 minute to answer this question. It was happened in 1971. Okay, dear students, so today our lesson is on English first paper for class 9. And today's topic is the Independence Day. The Independence Day, today our topic. So, dear students, now the learning outcomes. Learning outcomes are, by the end of this lesson, the students will be able to describe the history of independence. They will be able to analyze our freedom fighters and martyrs. They will be able to describe various cultural programs. They will be able to know about National Parade Ground, and they will be also able to know to describe the biggest state festival. So, dear students, let's begin the passage. I would like to start the passage, and I would like to say the Bengali meaning of this passage also. 26 March, our Independence Day. 26 মার্চ আমাদের স্বাধীনতা দিবস ইজ দ্য বিগেস্ট স্টেট ফেস্টিভ্যাল এবং এটা রাষ্ট্রের সবচেয়ে বড় একটা উৎসব। দ্য ডে ইজ সেলিব্রেটেড এভরি ইয়ার ইন দ্য কান্ট্রি উইথ গ্রেট এনথুসিয়াজম অ্যান্ড ফার্ভার। এটা প্রতি বছরই আমাদের দেশে অনেক উৎসাহ উদ্দীপনা নিয়ে পালন করা হয়। It is a national holiday. এটা একটা জাতীয় বন্ধের দিন বা ছুটির দিন। All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. এই ছুটির দিনে সকল অফিস, শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান, দোকানপাট, ফ্যাক্টরি বন্ধ থাকে। The day begins with 31 gunshots. এই দিনটা 31 তোপধ্বনির মাধ্যমে শুরু হয়। দিনটা 31 তোপধ্বনির মাধ্যমে শুরু হয়। Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation placed floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. ভোরবেলা আমাদের রাষ্ট্রপতি এবং প্রধানমন্ত্রী জাতির পক্ষে এই স্মৃতিসৌধে গিয়ে ফুলের মালা বা ফুলের তোড়া দিয়ে তাদেরকে শ্রদ্ধা জানায়। তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ our honorable President and honorable Prime Minister is at Savar. Then diplomats, political parties, social and cultural organizations and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. তারপরে মানে প্রধানমন্ত্রী এবং রাষ্ট্রপতির পর আমাদের কূটনীতিক দল, বিভিন্ন রাজনৈতিক দল, সামাজিক এবং সাংস্কৃতিক প্রতিষ্ঠান এবং সর্বোপরি আমাদের মুক্তিযোদ্ধারা সেখানে ফুলের শুভেচ্ছা জানায়। People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. সকল ধরনের লোক, সব ধরনের লোক সেখানে র্যালি এবং মিছিল নিয়ে যায়। There are several cultural programs throughout the day. সারাদিনে বিভিন্ন ধরনের অনুষ্ঠান হয়, highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. 1971 সালে যারা জীবন দিয়ে সংগ্রাম করেছে, জীবন উৎসর্গ করেছে, তাদেরকে আলোচনার মাধ্যমে। People from all walks of life. The country also witnessed a smartly dressed parade of defense forces, border guards, police, answers and BDP. BDP means Village Defense Party at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. দেশের মানুষ স্মার্টলি ড্রেসড প্যারেড, সুসজ্জিত প্যারেড দেখে ডিফেন্স ফোর্সেস, যারা সামরিক বাহিনীর লোক আছে, বর্ডার গার্ডস, পুলিশ, আনসার অ্যান্ড বিডিপি, তার বিভিন্ন ধরনের শারীরিক কসরত দেখায়। অ্যাট দ্য ন্যাশনাল প্যারেড গ্রাউন্ড নিয়ার ন্যাশনাল পার্লামেন্ট, আমাদের জাতীয় সংসদের পাশে যে ন্যাশনাল প্যারেড গ্রাউন্ড আছে সেখানে এটা দেখায় তারা। This is the parade ground and smartly dressed. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and girls guide take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. বঙ্গবন্ধু স্টেডিয়ামে আমাদের স্কুলের বাচ্চারা, স্কাউট, গার্লস গাইড, তার বিভিন্ন ডিসপ্লেতে অংশগ্রহণ করে, সেখানে উপস্থিত হাজার হাজার দর্শকদের মনোরঞ্জনের জন্য। Various kinds of displays at the stadium. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. বিভিন্ন শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান তাদের ব্যক্তিগত অনুষ্ঠানেরও আয়োজন করে। Sports meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. বিভিন্ন ধরনের খেলাধুলার আয়োজন করা হয়। তাছাড়া আমাদের বুড়িগঙ্গা নদীতে ঐতিহ্যবাহী সেই নৌকা বাইচের আয়োজন করা হয়। This is the boat race display on Bangabandhu Stadium. In the evening, all major public buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. সন্ধ্যাবেলায় সকল পাবলিক বিল্ডিংগুলো আলোকসজ্জায় সজ্জিত করা হয়। Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. বাংলা একাডেমি, বাংলাদেশ শিল্পকলা একাডেমি এবং অন্যান্য সামাজিক সাংস্কৃতিক প্রতিষ্ঠানগুলো সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করে থাকে। This is the passage. Now, dear students, we shall discuss some vocabulary. First one is a display. Can you guess the meaning? What do you mean by display? Display means show. Display means to show. And we shall learn a sentence using this word. In Bangabandhu Stadium, school students take part in various displays. This is the peak of display. Dear students, this is the display. Then second one, we shall see another word or word meaning, wreaths. What do you mean by wreaths? Wreath means garland, means ফুলের মালা যেটাকে আমরা বলি wreath. And we shall learn a sentence using this vocabulary. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister on behalf of the nation place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then another vocabulary, homage. What do you mean by homage? Can you tell me what is the meaning of homage? We shall see the answer. Homage means respect. Homage means respect. Mabi Ahmed has said honor. You are also right. Khalid Saifullah has said Shamman in Bangla. This is also right. And Mahmoud Akhtar has said Shamman Kora. Mujahidul Islam Kausar has said honor. You all are right. Thank you so much. So we shall learn another sentence using this word homage. We respect our martyrs who laid down their lives in the war of liberation. This is homage. We usually place this wreath to show homage or respect. Okay, dear students, now look at the screen. We shall do some exercises according to our text. In activity C, you see this kind of table. There are some words here and there are some meanings. You have to match the words with their meanings. And for that reason you will get 5 minutes to answer these questions, to practice. I think you all will practice this one. You will get 5 minutes. The words are fervor, alike, spectator, displays, illuminate. And the meanings, Here there are acts of performing skills to decorate a building with bright lights. In similar way, a strong feelings of excitement, a person who is watching an event. These are the meanings. So try to match this answer. You just write down in short way. Mabi Ahmed has said one encourage. Mujahidul Islam Kausar is also saying encourage. Just try to answer all the 5 words. Please, you have 3 minutes more. Mabi Ahmed has said question number 2 similar. Shaira Khan, Assalamu alaikum sir. Wa alaikum assalam. Mabi Ahmed said 3 viewers. Actually, you have to match the answer with the meaning given in the box. Here there are 5 words and 5 meanings. We have to match these meanings with these 5. That means you have to take this from this side, not from your own vocabulary. Tisha Akhtar has said question number 4 show. Mabi Ahmed is saying question number 5 enlighten. Our Honorable Syed Ahmed sir is also watching this class. Thank you so much. So dear students, let's see the answer. Fervor means a strong feeling of excitement. This is fervor. Number 2, alike means in similar way. And third one is spectator means a person who is watching an event. A spectator. And fourth one, displays means acts of performing skills. And last one, illuminate means to decorate a building with bright light. Dear students, these are the answers. Okay, then we shall go to activity D of the text. There are some multiple choice question, that means MCQ. There are 4 MCQs here. First one is, our biggest state festival is Victory Day, Shohid Divas, Pohela Boishakh, Independence Day. Second one, the celebration of Independence Day begins with processions, gun shows, placing wreaths at the National Memorial, the display of parades by defense forces. Number 3, the National Muslim is on Dhaka University campus, at Ramna Park, at Shabar near Dhaka Medical College. Number 4, on Independence Day, a national parade is held at the National Parade Ground, in the streets, in the decorated vehicles, in Bangabandhu Stadium. So, dear students, there are 5 questions here. Try to give answer, please. And you will get 4 minutes for 4 questions. Try to answer, please. Mujahidul Islam Kausar, Mahmouda Akhtar, Mabia Ahmed. They are giving answers. All the answers should be given, please. Hurry up, please. Dear students, hurry up. Here, Mabia Ahmed is very active. Thank you so much. Khaled Saifullah. Mujahidul Islam Kausar is also active here. You have 2 minutes, dear students. You have 1 minute. Joy Dash has said 1 Independence Day. Okay, dear students, let's see whether your answers are right or wrong. First on our biggest state festival will be Independence Day. You are right. Your answer is right. Thank you so much. Second one, the celebration of Independence Day begins with processions, gun shoots, placing deaths at the National Memorial, the display of parades by defense forces. Simon Ahmed has said B of 2. We shall see. Yes, you are right. This is gun shoots. Now question number 3. The National Mausoleum is on Dhaka University campus, at Sabar, at Ramna Park, near Dhaka Medical College, and we shall see the answer. Simon Ahmed has said C. Okay, we shall see whether this answer is right or wrong. Yes, he is right. Thank you so much. And then my last one. On Independence Day, a national parade is held at the National Parade Ground, in the streets, in the decorated vehicles, in Bangamundhu Stadium. Joy Dash has said at the National Parade Ground. Khaled Saifullah has said 4A. Sayyida Shati has given the answer. Junaid Kazi also said 4A. Okay, we shall see whether or which one is right one. At the National Parade Ground. You are right. Thank you so much. Dear students, this is the activity D. Now we shall learn some answers from this open-ended question, and I have given you 5 questions here, and these questions are: question number 1, what is our biggest state festival? Second one, when do we observe Independence Day? Question number 3, where is the National Memorial situated? Question number 4, why do people go to National Memorial? And last one, what happens in the river of Buriganga? There are 5 questions. To think and to write down this answer, you will get 5 minutes for these 5 questions. I am going to read out the questions again. What is our biggest state festival? Number 2, when do we observe Independence Day? Number 3, where is the National Memorial situated? Number 4, why do people go to National Memorial? Number 5, what happens in the river Buriganga? Dear students, you have 4 minutes more. Mujahidul Islam Kausar is writing, Mabia Ahmed is also writing. Thank you so much. We shall match your answer after some time. Please wait. You have 3 minutes, dear students. You can take help from the text. Junaid Qazi is giving answer. Joy Dash, Mujahidul Islam Kausar, Lucky Rai. Our biggest festival is Independence Day. Mabia Ahmed is also giving answer. Dear students, you have 1 minute more to write down or think. Please hurry up. Lakira has said our biggest state festival is Independence Day. Mabia Ahmed, the National Memorial is situated in Shabar. Tisha Akhtar, our biggest state festival is Independence Day. Joy Dash, 26 March. Lucky Rai, question number 2, we observed Independence Day on 26 March. Tisha Akhtar has said we observe Independence Day on 6 March. Okay, dear students, I am going to give the answers and you have to match the answers with mine, whether your answers are right or wrong. Now, first one, what is our biggest state festival? And the answer is, our biggest state festival is 26 March. And those who have given answers, thank you so much. Your answers are right. Now, second one, when do we observe Independence Day? The answer is, we observe Independence Day on 26 March. Someone has said observed. Actually, this is wrong. The question is in present indefinite using do, so we have to answer this question using present indefinite. That's why we observe Independence Day on 26 March. This is not observed. This will be observed. Then third one, Where is the National Memorial situated? And many of you have given the answer, and we shall see. The National Memorial is situated at Sabar, and your answers are right. Thank you so much once again. And now question number 4. Why do people go to National Memorial? This is also in present indefinite using do. So we have to answer in present indefinite, and answer will be people go to National Memorial to place floral wreaths and to show respect also. And then what happens in the river Buriganga? People arrange exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. And most of you have given right answers. And our Honorable Principal Sir is also watching. Thank you so much, sir. People arrange exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. And we have completed 5 questions here. And to write down these answers, you have to think over tense. And all the questions are here in W's question, and you have to answer in full sentences. Mabi Ahmed is said boat race is arranged in the river Buriganga. Right, you are, but sentence is wrong. You have to write down in correct way. Thank you so much for watching. So dear students, now I am going to give you homework. Look at the screen. Write in brief how you have celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. This is your homework. You have to try to answer this one. Write in brief how you have celebrated this year's Independence Day at your school. And I will think, and I will hope that you all will practice this at home. Then it will be helpful, I think. So dear students and honorable guardians and my dear colleagues and who have joined with me, thank you so much for watching. And I think again I will come here to join with you in another class. Till then, Allah Hafiz and be safe. Thank you so much.